Did you know some people spend their whole lives building things they never let themselves use? He had designed 43 bridges, 43, each one standing strong across rivers, valleys, and mountain passes. Travelers crossed them every day without a second thought. Merchants, soldiers, wandering strangers, all of them trusting his work completely. But he had never taken a single step onto one. He would stand at the edge every time, wind in his coat, hands gripping the railing he had drawn himself on paper years before, and then he would stop, turn around, walk back. He told himself it was humility, that he simply respected the danger. But watching a child run laughing across one of his bridges one quiet morning, he finally understood the truth. He did not fear the bridge would fail. He feared discovering he was not worthy of what he had built. That is not humility. That is self-doubt wearing a noble mask. True mastery is not just creating something great. It is trusting yourself enough to stand on it. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.